Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate you can comment, a picture on Pinterest. So to begin with, open the pin or idea or image page that you would like to leave your comment under. So let's say I'll go with this one. In here, if there are comments available for this particular idea, you should have the respective icon over here. If there is none, unfortunately the comments are disabled for this particular pin. So let me find the one that will actually allow me to do that. Okay, here I have it. So that's how the comments sections icon look like. So tap on it and, well, leave your comment. Then make sure to hit that post button, and as you can see, our comment gets posted right away. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and I will see you around. Bye bye.